I'm Hugh Brownstone for Three Blind Men and an Elephant. But today it's really, hey everybody, I'm Hugh Brownstone for Helium Design Lab. And welcome to the very first update on our Helium Design Lab anti-theft, no-futs, exceptionally well-considered, functional, and beautiful grip for Leica's Q3. Not that I'm biased or anything. If this is your first time hearing about it, I should tell you that our Q3 grip is the initial offering in a series of products designed to create a more perfect union between photographer and camera. Our ambition is to make it truly worthy of the camera to which it is attached. My partner Ed and I are delighted to share with you that we are now weeks away from receiving our final production samples. We've done more than a dozen 3D printed prototypes and pre-production in the metal samples since our first computer modeling, so this is a major milestone and we are stoked. But before we go any further, I want to tell you this about Ed. He's the one who has been transforming our ideas into virtual reality, courtesy of his prodigious 3D modeling skill acquired over many years as an architect. He's the one engaging with potential suppliers. He has a keen appreciation for industrial design that he and I share, and he has the passion we all have, if you're watching this video, for photography. And yes, we both own and use regularly Leica Q3s. Plus, I think Ed is just a wonderful, very special human being. We wanted you to know that what we're doing together at Helium Design Lab comes from a place of joy, fascination, and respect, and that everything we want to bring to you comes from a profound emotional attachment to the art of photography, industrial design, and to humanity. Anyway, if you thought the grip you saw in our launch video was cool, just wait until you get your hands on the actual finished product. We have poured over our grip from every angle: functionality, comfort, aesthetics, fit and finish, manufacturability, durability, pricing, distribution, launch mechanics, and more. In the process, we've learned about all kinds of things, like the complexity and black art of metals finishing to match the camera. We've also heard and incorporated feedback from Q3 owners and Q2 owners and Leica M owners, Fujifilm owners, Nikon owners. Hold that thought, other than to say we've been very busy modeling. Ed and I have now turned our attention to and really leaned into our go-to-market strategy, specifically around manufacturing, financials, and distribution. We've relied on multiple scenario analysis, assumption-driven planning, and a whole lot of Excel. We face two critical decisions at this juncture. Can we feasibly manufacture the grip domestically? I mean, we want to. And do we launch via Kickstarter or work with well-known and established retailers? We are now leaning toward a third manufacturing path we hadn't anticipated would be available to us when we began the project: offshore manufacturing by one of two American companies with which we've been working. This appears to be the most compelling path to feasibility for us. At present, we would have to charge a 25% premium to produce the grip domestically. And while, as I just mentioned, we'd prefer to support our local economy, here's the question: would you be willing to pay the difference? We've got a poll down below, so we'd appreciate it if you took a minute or two for it. As for launch, we've already consulted with a Kickstarter expert and have simultaneously begun a discussion in the retail sector. Once we have the final samples, the retail discussion will accelerate, and once those discussions have become more concrete, our go-to-market strategy should become clearer. Hold that thought. Oh, one more thing. Our grip is now compatible with Leica's finger loop. Hold that thought too. If you'd like to stay in the loop, get it, or learn more, please hop over to www.heliumlab.design. Yes, you heard that right, the order is different, and join our mailing list. For Helium Design Lab, I'm Hugh Brownstone, and that's it for now.